It's week 6, where has the time gone? I hope that you have enjoyed cooking along with us. This week it is sushi week, and this week is about you getting as creative as you want, because you can make sushi with all sorts of vegetables, fish, meat or other protein sources. So roll the video. Getting creative with your sushi. I know that mine was a little bit uninspiring, just making some carrot sushi. I know that you can do better. The secret is that I'm actually moving house and I don't have that many ingredients. So I am going to be making it again this week when I've moved house and making some far more inventive sushi. This week's skill is julienning carrots, which is why I went with the carrot sushi. Let's see how we can skill up. And julienne is basically a method of cutting your carrots or any vegetables into fine matchsticks. Now, to make it a little bit more manageable, I'm actually going to cut my carrot in half. I've already peeled it, and I'm going to cut the end off as well. And then what you first of all need to do is actually make your carrots square. Now, all of these scraps you can use just to eat in a salad, or you can use as part of a stock, but they are really great to eat, so please don't throw those away. But you're going to go each side and you're going to cut so that you have a perfect rectangle of carrots. So basically you're just cutting off the edges. So then you have your rectangle. What you're then going to do is you're going to go for some slices. Now, you don't want to go too thick because you want your julienne of carrots to be very, very thin matchsticks. Remembering to keep those fingers away from the knife, but you want them really not too thick. And then what you can do is you can stack 2 or 3 at a time, one on top of the other, like so. And then you're going to go the other way, a little bit like when we did our onion. You're going to do the same cut along, keeping those fingers out. When you get to the end, you may wish to just come down to just one, because I find they do get a little bit slippery. And then what you have is your finely julienne carrots. Thank you so much for joining me. I have had an amazing 6 weeks seeing your top chef skills. I hope that you have enjoyed cooking along with me, and hopefully I will see you in the not too distant future for the next bake-off. I'll see you soon.